Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to save snapshot memories to Camera Roll. Firstly, launch the Snapshot app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. It's located at the bottom of the camera screen. Just tap on the Memories button. It looks like two overlapping photos. Now open the memory you want to save and browse through your saved snaps or stories under Snaps or Camera Roll. Now, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then it will open the More Options menu. Select Export Snap, then click Download. The snapshot will instantly save the selected memory to your Camera Roll, Gallery, or the Photos app. If you'd like to send or store the memory elsewhere, follow the same process, but at step 5, tap More. From there, you can export the memory to other apps, cloud storage, or messaging platforms. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.